Safaricom plans to introduce the use of biometrics, this time through the use of fingerprints, to tackle SIM card fraud perpetrated via SIM swaps. The telco has not yet given a timeline for the exercise of introducing the new technology. At least 12 Safaricom employees have been prosecuted over fraud. Cases of customers falling prey to fraudsters have been on the rise. In many instances, customers receive calls from persons posing as officials of mobile operators and give out their personal details, which are then used to obtain funds either from the mobile wallets or bank accounts.